A moving block of having a mass m. So this is having mass m. It collides with another stationary block having mass 4m. Let us say this is the the velocity is u, okay, and this was having velocity 0. The lighter block comes to rest after collision. So now it is having a velocity u. When the initial velocity of the lighter block is v, it's already mentioned v, so let us take as v. Okay. Then the value of the coefficient of restitution E will be. So let us say this is v1. So in any collision, whether it's elastic, inelastic, or partial elastic, the momentum is going to be always conserved. So therefore initial momentum is going to be equal to the final momentum. So what is the initial momentum? M into v plus 4m into 0. Final momentum m into 0 plus 4m into v1. So v1 becomes v by 4. Now value of the coefficient of restitution. So restitution is the velocity of separation divided by the velocity of approach. So separation is v1 minus 0 divided by approach was v minus 0. So therefore this is v by 4 divided by v, which is 1 by 4, which is equal to 0.25. So therefore the answer is going to be B.